Are you looking for the best large cap funds to invest in after the corona market crash? Then you should stay tuned to this video. We shortlisted the best large cap funds for you to take the maximum advantage of the current market crash which has happened due to the COVID-19 and the lockdown. A lot of people believe that a sensible strategy is to invest in big companies which have a strong brand value, a strong balance sheet, and strong cash flows, which will take maximum advantage of this current market. So let's move on to the funds which we've shortlisted after carefully examining what is their sector exposure, what has been their track record, and the fund houses, and how their performance has been over a long period of time. So we've shortlisted 3 funds for you. So I'll advise you to please share, like, and subscribe to our channel so that you can stay in tune for future shortlist of funds which we do. So the first fund is Axis Blue Chip Fund. The fund house Axis has done an exceptionally good job for the last 1 year, and in all categories in fact. But one of their best performing funds is Axis Blue Chip Fund. It is managed by Shreyas Devalkar. The fund is sector agnostic. It is investing in quality companies which is able to generate profits over a long period of time. They follow a bottom up approach. If you see their current portfolio, they are 78.61% invested into Indian stocks, with the 72% of into large caps. Their top sectors which they have holdings is in banking, financials, IT, and FMCG. Their returns for the last 1 year has been very, very good. Their fund size is, because so many people have invested in their fund size has almost touched 11,000 crores. Moving on to the next fund, the second fund which we look at is SBI Blue Chip Fund. Now there are very two distinct advantages to this SBI fund. First, it has a very strong track record, and SBI has been one of these best performing fund houses over a long periods of time. Another thing which you have to take into account with SBI funds is they have a very low expense ratios, one of the lowest in the industries. And the focus of this fund is to stay away from momentum stocks and focus on themes which do well in the long term. Sohani is the fund manager, and they've been investing in companies which have a distinct competitive advantage. So for example, they've invested in Shree Cement, even though they're bigger companies around, but Shree Cement is very cost effective. So they've been very cost efficient, and hence SBI has taken exposure into them. This fund, people have shown a lot of faith in SBI funds, and it has a corpus of almost 11,000 crores. It's got a very strong track record as well. The fund might go up and down over a period of time, but if you hold it for 2 cycles, you'll see returns coming in. It's not something which you should buy the fund for only a 1 year or 2 year perspective. You should buy this fund for at least 5 years, because it's not focusing on momentum stocks. It's focusing on good themes and good companies. Now the third fund which we are looking at is Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund. Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund name has been changed from Mirae Asset Equity Fund, which used to be a very good multi-cap scheme, a very popular multi-cap scheme in fact, and it's been renamed to Mirae Large Cap Fund. It has done exceptionally well, and it shows that Mirae has been following a very disciplined approach to investing to generate healthy returns for its investors. In fact, all of their schemes have outperformed their respective benchmarks. So investors who are looking for quality companies should consider this scheme for long-term creation. And the fund is managed by Gaurav Mishra and Harshad. It has one of the lowest turnovers in its category of only 21%. That means fund manager over here is buying these stocks which he really believes in and not churning his portfolio. The category average is almost 150, and his turnover portfolio turnover is only 21%. So they are looking at picking up high quality businesses at a reasonable price and holding them for an extended period of time. And this is reflected in their portfolio turnover as well. So these are the three schemes which we are covering. I'll like to tell you one more thing. Mirai's corporate size is also 13,000 crores. So people have shown a lot of confidence in these schemes. A lot of people say you should not buy fund houses with large AUMs. Large cap funds will have, because they're investing in the biggest companies, a big AUM shows people's confidence in these schemes as well. And there's a lot of ability for the market to absorb these large AUMs as well. So there's no disadvantage in the case of mid caps and small caps, where a lot of advisors say that or critique that a large fund cannot find good investment opportunities. One thing you have to be careful when you investing into these schemes is, at this market situation, please start a SIP, and or if you're doing want to look at doing a lump sum investment, please invest in a staggered way. Buy on dips, and for SIP, please start a SIP. It is the best time to do a SIP for the next 18 months. And if you're doing lump sum investments, don't wait for it to reach the bottom. Make sure you keep investing in a staggered manner so you get the maximum advantage in this bear market.